How small apartment investors can explore maintenance tracking tools and identify essential features. Identify key maintenance tracking needs. Work order management. Look for software that allows work orders to be created, assigned, and tracked from initiation to completion. Automated notifications for work order updates and completions help streamline the workflow. Preventive maintenance scheduling. Select a tool with customizable scheduling options for recurring maintenance tasks, allowing investors to set up regular intervals like monthly, quarterly, or annually for HVAC servicing, plumbing inspections, and more. Data analytics and reporting. Opt for software with robust reporting capabilities to analyze metrics, such as maintenance costs, response times, and common maintenance issues. Data analysis helps investors make informed, cost-saving decisions. Evaluate essential features and functionalities. Real-time updates and notifications are crucial. Choose software that provides real-time status updates and notifications. This allows tenants and maintenance staff to receive updates on work order progress and completion. Mobile accessibility is a key factor. A mobile-friendly platform or app enables maintenance staff to update work orders on-site, which increases efficiency. Mobile access is essential for coordinating tasks and tracking work orders in real time. Equipment tracking and performance metrics are also important. Consider tools with equipment tracking capabilities. This allows investors to monitor individual systems like HVAC units and water heaters for performance metrics, servicing dates, and expected lifespans. Compare software options and costs. Free versus paid solutions. Compare free software options like Google Sheets or Trello with more robust paid solutions like Buildium, Appfolio, or Propertyware that offer integrated maintenance tracking and management tools. Scalability. Ensure the software can scale with property needs, supporting multiple properties or units if required. Scalable software grows with the investment portfolio, making it cost-effective for long-term use. Cost-benefit analysis. Evaluate software costs against the features offered and expected benefits such as reduced response times, improved tenant satisfaction, and extended equipment lifespans. A comprehensive solution may cost more initially, but result in significant cost savings over time. Set up and customize the maintenance tracking system. Customize work order templates. Use custom templates to standardize work order creation, making it easy to categorize issues like HVAC or plumbing and assign priority levels. Define maintenance categories. Create maintenance categories based on system type, such as routine, emergency, or preventive, to track costs and task frequency by category. This helps identify high maintenance areas. Integrate with other property management functions. If possible, integrate maintenance tracking with other management tools like accounting and tenant communication to centralize data and simplify operations. Assess data for system effectiveness. Periodically review metrics such as maintenance completion times, cost trends, and response rates to gauge the software's impact on property management efficiency. Solicit staff and tenant feedback. Gather feedback from maintenance staff on usability and from tenants on satisfaction with maintenance response times. Adjust features or workflows as necessary based on feedback. Refine maintenance priorities based on data. Use maintenance data to adjust priorities, focusing on systems with frequent repairs or tenant requests. Refining the program based on data-driven insights optimizes resources and improves service quality. Additional tips for choosing maintenance tracking tools. Trial periods. Take advantage of trial periods offered by most software providers to test features and determine ease of use and functionality. Vendor integration. Choose software that allows vendor integration, enabling direct work order assignment and updates from contractors. Set metrics for success. Define key metrics like average response time and repair costs to evaluate the effectiveness of the maintenance tracking tool. Summary. Tracking maintenance performance through specialized software enables small apartment investors to monitor work orders, evaluate maintenance effectiveness, and adjust plans based on data insights. By exploring various maintenance tracking tools, investors can select a platform that aligns with their property management needs, ensuring timely maintenance, tenant satisfaction, and efficient use of resources. A well-organized maintenance tracking system supports long-term asset preservation and enhances operational efficiency.